Okay, this is a Honda HRV 2004. It's about 20 years old, and I'm gonna do a pollen filter change. This is the one I got from eBay. I'll show you what it is. It comes with two filters. They're both about the same size. They're exactly the same size. It's made by Marley. Okay, this is what you do. It's got two glove compartments, top one and the bottom one. You just want to open the bottom one. Either side of the glove compartment is a guide wheel on a little rail here. You can just push it in on both sides. So push this one in, it pops out. Push this one in and it pops out. Then the whole thing drops down. And then you see over here is where the filters go. It's got a small section at the top and a bigger one here, but this one, the top filter, will drop down once you pull out one of the filters. So here we go. The easiest way to do it is to put your hand underneath and feel the tab and pull it, pull on it, and it pops off like that. So there is a tab here, but it just pops off once you pull it from underneath. And there's the two filters. They look a bit odd because this one you think it's a small filter, but it's not a full small. It's exactly the same size as this one. It will just drop down once you pull this filter out, which I'll do. You can see this one's pretty filthy. It's probably never been changed ever in 20 years. So put this down on the floor. And the other one has just dropped down, as you've seen. It just it lies up there and it just pulls down once you pull the first one out. So you get this one out as well, and it looks pretty filthy as well. Put it down there. I've got the new ones here. So let's see how to do it one-handed. Okay, they can only go in from this side. So I just pull it. It doesn't seem to look. Yep. Do it one-handed. Give it a clean. The sponge is a bit corroded on the underside. It's an old 20-year-old sponge, so it's going to happen. Okay, then you just pop the new ones in. They both seem to be exactly the same. A second. See which way is the airflow. Airflow is that way, so I would say. That's one done. And the airflow comes downwards. There's two done. There you go. These are both done. Yeah, keep that end like that. Looks like this. This is the back end. That goes towards the right. This side goes towards the right. Pop it all the way in, and it slides out. It's going to pop back down again until you put the other filter in. So hold on a second. Push that all the way in until it goes no further, and that's it. And you just have to put the tab back on. It's down here. So it's got a little bit of a clip on the top here, which you can clip over the top like that, and then just push it all the way in till it clicks, and that's done. Pollen filter changed. And then these can be just put in by pushing it forward, clicking it in place, pushing this forward, pushing it inwards and over the rail, and that's that, job done. There you go. Okay, that's the pollen filter change on a Honda HRV 2004.